Guys, let's jump into the code part now. Now we need to install the Pygame module. The Pygame module is not given default with the Python interpreter. We need to explicitly install it. Now in this PyCharm editor, I'm opening my Python console. See, we need to type the command pip install Pygame and run it. Since I already have installed it, it is showing me like that requirement already satisfied. If you are only using the official Python editor from python.org, you can directly go to the command prompt and you can install the Pygame module. Okay. See, after importing Pygame module, I am implementing itertools module. From the itertools, I am taking especially the combinations method. It is import sys. These two modules we can find in the Python interpreter only. See the line number 5, pg.init. pg implies Pygame. That is the alias name of Pygame. Okay. pg.init implies it is initializing all the modules of Pygame. For that, clock equals to pg.clock. Okay. This will set the number of frames per second in the game. And this is the screen size. 800, 400. 800 is the width of the screen. 400 is the length of the screen. We can understand 800 in the x-axis direction, 400 in the y-axis direction. Let me show it once. Now it is uploading. See, this is 800 x-axis direction. In this y-axis direction, this is 400. Okay. After that, screen equals to pg.display.setMode. Here we are displaying the screen. Okay. We are giving that screen size to the screen. After that, I am setting the caption for my screen. Praveen's Tic Tac Toe game. See once. See, here we can find the Praveen's Tic Tac Toe. We have not set the Praveen's Tic Tac Toe caption here. By default, we will get it as Pygame window. Okay. For that, I am loading the game icon from internet and I am setting the game icon. This is the game icon. This one. Okay. And this is the fonts I am drawing from the sys module. This is the input text. I will show you the input text once. See, we can find it here in the dark green color. This is the input text. For drawing the rectangle, we need to write Pygame, that is pg.rect of 15, 350, 140, 32 are the coordinates. Okay. This is 15, 350. This is the point 15, 350. 140 is its length and 32 is the width of the rectangle. Now I will show you the variables I have used in it. These are all the variables I have used. First one is total moves. Since our board has 9 positions, we will run the game until the total moves are less than 9. Okay. This is L. This is board. We have initialized with zeros. See, these are all the 9 zeros. Here we can find. Now S equals to, these are all the false, means the beginning of the game neither machine nor human being fill the slot, right? So all the slots are by default given as false. If it is given with true, means in the game, while game is running, in between the falses will be set to true one after the other. This is the magic square we can find. Okay. 8, 3, 4, 1, 5, 9, 6, 7, 2. See. 8, 3, 4. We can write in that order also. If we flip this magic square, we will get 8, 3, 4 in the upper side. Okay. And this is the dictionary. We can find 8 in 0th position, 3 in 1st position, 4 in 2nd position, 1 in 3rd position in the magic square. This is for mapping the positions to the magic square values. These two are the lists for human moves and machine moves. Whenever the human is entering his move, the human move will update with it. In a similar fashion, machine move will also get updated. I will show you where it is getting updated. Okay. See, we are appending the machine position to its machine move here. And here I and here human position is giving to the human mouse. Okay, these are all representing the corners and non-corners of the tic-tac-toe board. Here it is human mouse count. The flag you will come to know in the later section. This is the machine position. This is also you will come to know in the later section. Now we will see how we can construct the board. Okay, I will show you the code for constructing the board. See, I am selecting here draw background. This is the one which is reasoning for constructing of board. Check the first line, screen dot fill of VG dot color of light blue. Our entire screen is filling with light blue in the background. Okay. Later, PG dot draw dot tract of screen. That is, the rectangle is drawing in the screen with the color of black. This is the rectangular coordinate angle, line width. Okay. See, this is show you how this rectangle will be drawn in paint. Okay. Now I will show you the line number 65. Okay. This is the assume the coordinates as it is 15, 270 and this one 270, 270. Okay. Now I is initialized to 1 and it is entering loop. Okay. Now for the first I equals to 1, it will draw the line like this. This is how it will draw. And the second line will draw like this. This is end of the first while loop. When it is entering the second while loop, it will draw the line first like this. Later, it will draw the like this. And after 2 loops, the loop will be ended. And you can see the board here. Okay.